You've heard the saying, it never rains, but it pours. The same happens in trading. Let me explain what I mean right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 433. I want to talk about a couple of analogies you may have heard of. You've heard of the phrase, it never rains but it pours. You've heard of the phrase, make hay while the sun shines. And they are exactly applicable when it comes to trading. And what I mean by that is you have to wait for the right trading conditions. Now, as traders, sometimes that can be our downfall. And it's a big mistake that so many people make and fall into that trap. And you see, when you're not trading, it's pretty much boring. You know, you're not doing anything. And the issue then becomes is you start breaking your rules. You start forcing things to happen that you shouldn't really do. And you start taking B-grade setups simply because you want to take something. And it's very hard to force yourself not to do that. But if you can get yourself to trade the conditions of when the high quality trade setups show, you will without doubt do so much better from your trading. Now just this week, I've got two perfect examples to share with you. So last night, Thursday night my time, I held our live weekly clients webinar. A 2-hour live session where we trade live. I trade the European session. The following week, Paul Tillman trades the US session and back to the European session with me the week after. So last night, not a lot happened for the first hour and 50 minutes. Now we were covering previous trades. We were discussing trades that a few people had open and some very good trades. We were showing some good weekly and monthly chart trades. We had lots happening, but nothing really was going on live in the market. And then leading up to the end of the session where we look at the 12-hour and 6-hour and 4-hour and 2-hour charts. We took one 6-hour chart trade and 3 on the 12-hour. 2 of those have hit profit already and 2 are still open and in excellent profit. So nothing happened in terms of live real trades in the market for almost all of that session until the end, and then there was lots happening. And this week on the this week on the daily charts, we've had the same thing. Up until Thursdays, from Monday to Thursday, we posted just one trade. Now, most days we trade between about 1 and 3 daily charts. But up until Thursday, for 4 days of this week, we posted just one trade on the dailies. We had a really good weekly chart trade that hit profit, but only one trade on the daily charts. And that was on oil as well. So we've had no Forex pairs for the first 4 days of this week. Today, Friday, we are the 22nd of October. We have posted 11 trades on the daily charts. One on Bitcoin as a crypto trade, as a sell, and 10 Forex pairs. So the point being is just be patient. Just wait for the setups. You know, the setups will come. It's just you don't know when. So that's why you have to be patient. If the trades are not there, don't force anything, don't take anything. Likewise today, and going back to the it never rains but it pours, today is one of those days. It took us so long to write the daily trades up today with all the reasons why we were taking the trade, the exact entry, the exact exits, etc. And then actually placing the trades. 11 trades were placed on the daily chart trades today. So make hay while the sun shines. It's a true phrase. The conditions are right. Just get out there and do it and make it and profit from it. Conditions are not good. Don't take them. And if you can overcome that mental hurdle, an obstacle in your trading and learn to have patience and learn to wait, and then, so that's all about waiting, but also don't procrastinate. So when you see the conditions, get in there and take the trades. Don't go, oh, I'm not sure, I've only taken one, I don't want to take too many this week. Don't think that. If the trades are there, you take the trades, according to your strategy, of course. So I hope that helps. Feel free to share this video with anybody who you think may be interested in trading. One more thing, don't forget, of course, Blueberry Markets. Wonderful broker. Lots of people are going there now. A lot of people are watching these video and podcasts and see me talking about Blueberry. I had a couple phone calls just this week from people saying, hey, look, I'm not in Australia. Can I trade with Blueberry? Yes, you can. You can trade with Blueberry in a lot of countries around the world. Really decent broker. I've used them for years. I know them, met them in person. Back in those days, remember those days when we were allowed to travel and get on airplanes and go to a different country? But back in those days, I've met Ben and Dean over in Australia. Neat guys, great company. If you're looking for a decent broker, consider Blueberry Markets. I'll put a link to them on this video post and podcast. And by the way, if you've not been on one of my free webinars, I have webinars each week designed especially for new traders and another one especially for the more experienced trader. Just pick the webinar time that suits you, the best start time, or you can choose to watch a previous replay if you'd like to watch one straight away on demand. I'll put the links to both of those two sessions on here as well. So I hope that helps. Be patient in your trading. Wait for the right setups. When they come, take them, profit, do well from the market. That's how you trade. I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.